Hi, hi. Guess who I am? Miss Mary. Yes, my name's Mary Kang, and it is my pleasure to work with you on level 2 of Julie Johnson's music theory book. This book. Okay? The orange one. All right. All right, let's get to the work. All right, can you go to the page 1? Lesson 1, key signatures. We already covered this in level 1B. So we're gonna move more quickly. Okay? All right. The key signature is found at the beginning of the music, like this, right? Next to clef signs. The key signature tells you two things. First one is key, or the tonality of the music. Now, like what key? Like a major key or minor key. Okay? Now, number 2, which notes in the music will be received, sharps or flats. Okay, like this one, in the key of D major, F sharp and C sharp. Okay, and in the key of B flat major, there's a B flat and E flat. Okay, all right, that's what it means. All right, let's do this now. Go to the bottom of the page. Here we go. If a key signature has sharps, they will be written in this order. Okay, it's always in this order: F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Okay, you can do two ways, like fat cats go down, L is eating bologna, F is for fat, C is for cat, G is for go, D is for down, A, E, B, right? You can do that. Or we cover in different ways in 1B, like fat cats get donuts at every breakfast. Okay, so you can do both ways. All right, so that's it. When you draw sharps, you always want to start on the this F sharp, the F line, not down here. Okay, and for C, you gotta draw C sharp in the third place, and G on the top again, and D down. Now A is down, E up, and B down again. All right, so it's F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Okay? All right, let's move on to the next page. We'll do page 2 together. Okay? All right. If a key signature has one sharp, it will be F sharp. Okay? If a key signature has two sharps, there will be F sharp and C sharp, right? Okay, then can we do this? We're gonna write down the order of sharps first. First sharp is F, second one is C, right? Fat cats go down alleys eating bologna, okay? Or fat cats get donuts at every breakfast, okay? Now, if a key signature has two sharps, they will be, you always start from the first one. It is F first, and the second sharp is C. If there are three sharps, it's going to be F, C, and G, right? If there are four sharps, then there will be F, C, G, D. How about five sharps? F, C, G, D, and A. Get it? All right. So these are all sharps. So first two sharps are F and C. Got it? Good. All right, let's do the next one. If a key signature has three sharps, there will be, what's the first one? It is F. F sharp. The second one, C sharp. And the third one is A. It is G sharp. Good. If a key signature has one sharp, it will be, it's F sharp. Now, please write sharp sign, okay? All right. If a key signature has four sharps, there will be, you know what, right? It's in order F, C, G, and D sharp. Okay, go ahead and write them. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. Okay, we're going to move fast. All right. Now, let's draw sharps. Okay, can we start with treble clef first. How do we do this? You draw sharp on the F line, right? And you gotta draw C sharp in the C space, G sharp in G space, D sharp on the D line, okay? And remember, A is down here, okay? And E in the space, and B on the line, okay? Can we do the same thing 2 times? Okay, can we try this together? Okay, F up, C down, G up, D down, A space down, E up, space, and B on the line, middle line. Okay, all right. Now how about we do the bass clef? Now F line is the 4th line, and the C space is 2nd space, and F, C, G goes on the top space, and D on the 3rd line. Now remember, A down, E up, and B down again. All right, let's try it again. Now F, 4th line, C in the 2nd space, G in the 4th space, D, 3rd line, and remember A, 1st space, E, 3rd space, and B on the 2nd line. Now make sure if it's a line note, sharp, you gotta draw sharp on the line. So middle part of the sharp, do you see a line there? Line has to go through in the middle part of the line. Okay, how about middle part of the sharp, I mean. Okay, if it's a space sharp, then you need to draw the sharp inside of the space. Remember this, that square part, rectangle part right there? Now it goes in the space. Okay, can we try it again? Now space, in the space, on the line, D, okay? So draw one line above, now draw the sharp on the line like this. Okay, A down, E, and B. Try the same thing in the treble clef. F on the very top line, C, the 3rd space, G on the top, D on the 4th line, and A in the space, 2nd space, E, and B. Got it? Okay, now, why don't you close your eyes? Can you tell me the order of sharps? What is it? F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Again, one more time. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Again. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Remember? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Same thing again for the bass clef. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Get it? Okay. Now, can we do the page 3? All right. Now, here we go. Now we're gonna figure out which key this is in. Okay. Now, when you see 3 sharps, you always start from the left one, which is F sharp, and there's C sharp, and there's G sharp, right? F, C, G. Okay. Now, last sharp is G sharp. I need you to circle the last one. What sharp is that? Isn't that a G sharp? What's a half step above G sharp? What note comes a half step here? Here's a G sharp right there. Okay? What's a half step above this G sharp? Isn't it this one? What is it? It's an A, right? So this is in the key of A major. Get it? Okay, so always look for the very last sharp. Okay? And you want to go half step up from there. Okay, let's try this now. All right, now I need you to tell me the order of sharps. It's F, C, G, D, A, E, B, right? Now, how many sharps do we have? 3. What's the first sharp? It's F. What's the second one? It is C, and the third one is a G, right? Can you write that? F sharp and C sharp. Okay, and the last one, and G sharp. Okay, the last sharp is, okay, I need you to circle the very last one. Now, F is first, C is the second, and G is the last one here. So last sharp is G sharp. Okay, a half step above this sharp is, again, there's G sharp, and half step above this G sharp is A. So this is in the key of A major. Okay, good. All right, let's try B now. Question B. All right, here we go. The sharp is one and only. What's that? It's F sharp. The last sharp is, isn't that easy? Just go ahead and circle one, which is F sharp. A half step above this F sharp is, now here's F sharp. Now what's a half step above F sharp? It's a G, isn't it? So it is G. This is in the key of G major. Easy? Okay. Can we go to the next page now? Can we go to the page 4? All right. Now we're going to do a few more, okay? All right. All right, C. Question C. The sharps are, what are those? We have 2 sharps, right? First one is always F. The second one is always C, right? Can you write them, please? So there are F sharp and C sharp. Okay. Circle the last sharp. What's that? It is C sharp, right? C sharp. A half step above this sharp is, isn't that easy? There's a C sharp. Half step above the C sharp is this one, isn't it? Yeah, it's going up to the right, which is D. So it's a D. This is in the key of, can you guess? Yes, D major. Great. All right, let's do question D. Okay. Now, the sharps are, now what's the first one? F. What's the second one? C. What's the third one? G. And what's the fourth one? D. Write them. Fat cats go down. F, C, G, D, sharps. The last sharp is, I need you to circle the last sharp. It's a D sharp, right? Half step above D sharp is, now here's D sharp right there. What's a half step above D sharp? Isn't that E? Yes, it is. So it's an E. And the key is E major. Okay, good. Now, what if there are 5 sharps? Like this. Here we're going to do, I'm going to write here, okay? In order, there's F, C, G, D, A, E, B sharps, right? Okay, these are all sharps. Sharps, sharps, sharps. All right. Now, we're going to do more exercise here. If there's 1 sharp, which is F sharp, okay? What's a half step above F sharp? G. In the key of G major, there's F sharp. When there are 2 sharps, it's F sharp and C sharp, right? What's a half step above of this last sharp? Now, the C sharp's the last one. Then above C sharp is D. In the key of D major, you have F sharp and C sharp. Now, 3 sharps, F, C, G. Now, half step above this G sharp is A. In the key of A major, you have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Now, when you have 4 sharps, these are F, C, G, D sharps. The half step above this D sharp is E, right? So in the key of E major, you have 4 sharps. How about when you have 5 sharps? F, C, G, D, A. Can you guess it? It's a B sharp because A sharp is the last sharp. And half step above A sharp is B. In the key of B major, what do you have? We have F, C, G, D, A. Okay? How about 6 sharps? Okay. What is the half step above E sharp? Here. You know this is E. And you know this is E sharp, right? This is E sharp. What's a half step above this E sharp? It's this key, right? What do you think? It's F sharp major. In the key of F sharp major, you have the 6 sharps. When you have all 7 sharps, B sharp's the last one. This is B, and this is B sharp, right? This key is B sharp. What's a half step above this B sharp? What key is that? It's this one. What do you call it? C sharp. In the key of C sharp major, you have all these 7 sharps. Okay? Now we're going to do this backwards. All right. Here. When you have a key, it's a key of D major. Now half step below D is C sharp. The C sharp will be the last sharp. Then in order, there's F and C, right? That's it. Okay, we'll do page 5. Number 4. Write the key signature for these keys. Easy. All right, key of A major. Now a half step below A is, what do you think? Isn't that a G sharp? It is G sharp. The order of sharps up to this sharp is, now what's the first sharp? Not the G sharp, but it is F sharp. That, right? What's the second sharp? Cat. It's good. Third sharp, G sharp. Okay? All right, great. Then we're going to write the sharps on the staff. All right. First one is F. So draw F sharp here. Okay? And the second one is C. So C goes here in the space. And G is on the top. Okay, can you do the same thing for the bass clef? F line, C space, and G space. Great. Okay, let's do the next one now. Okay, question B. Key of G major. All right, now a half step below this G is F sharp. Right? The order of sharps up to this sharp is, guess what? It's one and only, so it's F sharp. We're going to draw the sharp. Here's F. And for the bass clef, here's F. Get it? Okay, we'll do some more. Question C. Now, a half step below D is, what do you think? Half step below D is, here's D. And half step below D is, not the D flat, but C sharp. It cannot be the same letter. All right, C sharp. The order of sharps up to this sharp is, now remember, the very first sharp is F sharp, and the second sharp is C sharp, right there. Okay, so why don't you draw the sharps? F on the top, C down. Again, for the bass clef, F on the 4th line, C in the 2nd space. Great. Good. Easy? Now, why don't we do some more, okay? Now, how about page 6? I told y'all we're going to move fast on this level. All right, key of E major. A half step below E is, can you guess? There's E. Half step below E is, guess what this is? Is that an E flat or D sharp? If you guess D sharp, then you're good. You're right, D sharp. Okay? All right. The order of sharps up to this sharp is, now what's the first sharp again? F flat. Cats go down, right? F, C, G, D. Okay. So there are 4 sharps in the key of E major. Okay, write them, please. Draw F sharp on the top line, C, 3rd space, G on the top, and D on the 4th line, like this. Do the same thing for the bass clef. Okay, F, C, G, and D. Got it? All right. If you did level 1B with me, and probably this is a piece of cake, isn't it? So easy. It's like review. Great. All right, let's number 5. Match these key signatures with their names by drawing lines to connect them. Okay, now we're going to start with this one first. 2 sharps, right? How do you figure out the key signature? Now, look at the very last one. What's that? Isn't that a C sharp? Half step above C sharp is, it's a D, right? So there's D, so we're going to match it like this. 1 sharp. Which sharp is that? F sharp, one and only. Circle it. Half step above F sharp is, what do you think? It's a G. So go to G right there. It's a G major. When you have 4 sharps, what are those? F, C, G, D. Which one's the last sharp? Circle it. It's a D sharp. Half step above D sharp is, you know it, it's an E. Where's E major? Oh, here. So go ahead and match them. Good. Now, 3 sharps. F, C, G in order, right? Which one's the last sharp? G sharp. Half step above G sharp is, it's an A, isn't it? Yes, so this is A. Good. And no sharps, no flats. Oh, you already know that. It's a C major. Okay, good. Can we go on? All right. Why don't we move to the flats now? That's page 7. Okay. Now, order of flats. It's exactly the opposite way of the sharps. Remember, sharps order was F, C, G, D, A, E, B, right? But flats are B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Okay. In level 1B, you learn like this. Before eating a donut, get coffee first. That's what I do all the time. Coffee in the morning. Yeah. But, or you can do this. B-E-A-D, nice spells to bead, right? Gum, candy, fruit. Okay. You can do both ways. All right. Now, when you draw flats, B on the 3rd line. And E goes up, A down, D up, G flat down, C flat up, and F flat down. Okay? Now, so it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down. For the sharps, it was up, down, right? Now, for the flats, it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Easy. Can you say down, up, down, up, down, up, down? Good. Can you say B, E, A, D, G, C, F? Try it. Ready? Go. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. All right. Okay, close your eyes. Can you tell me the order of sharps? F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Can you tell me, can you say the order of flats? B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Good job. All right. Okay, let's do some work now. Now, if a key signature has 1 flat, it will be B flat. If it has 2 flats, that will be B flat and E flat. Remember? B, E, A, D, G, C, F. That's the order, right? All right. Let's do number 7. Fill in the blanks. If a key signature has 2 flats, they are, what do you think? It's B, E, right? So write B flat and E flat. Don't forget to draw a flat sign, okay? If a key signature has 1 flat, it is, guess what? It's a B flat. Now, question C. If a key signature has 3 flats, they are, now you cannot start from middle of the flats. You always start again from the beginning, which is B flat, E flat, and A flat. Got it? Good job. Okay, let's move to the page. Let's go to the page A now. All right, good. Now, when you draw flats, again, like this, B in the middle, okay, and E, top, space, A down again, B, E, A, and D on the top, up again, G down, C up, and F down. Now make sure the middle part, that, the little circle part, or half of a hard part goes in the inside of the what do you call it, space. And if it's a line, flat on the line, the fat part has to go on the line. Okay? Do the same thing for the base clef. It's second line for the E, B, and third space for an E, first space, A flat, third line, D flat, first line, G flat, in the second space, C flat, and very under the lines for F flat. Okay? Good. Can we do this again? Let's do this quickly, okay? Treble clef first. B, third line, E, A, D, G, C, F. Okay? For the bass clef, down, the B, up, E, down, A, up, D, down, G, up, C, and down, F. All right. Okay, why don't you do this on your own? Okay, try that. All right. For the treble clef first, go. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. For the bass clef, B, second line, E, A, D, G down, C up, and F down. Okie doke. Easy? Okay, you got it. All right, let's go to the middle of the page now. Now, to determine which major key of group of flat represents, name the next to the last flat. Okay, this is even easier. Okay, how do you figure out the key signature for the flats? Now, when you have 3 flats, okay, it's second to the last one. As you know, B flat is the first flat, E flat is the second flat, and the A flat is the last flat in this case, right? Which one is the last one, which is A flat, right? Which one is second to the last one? Next to the last flat, which is E flat, right? So I need you to circle E flat. And that is the name of key, E flat major. Okay? All right. Now, there's one exception. If there's only one flat, okay, that's the key of F major. Can you remember that? Okay? B flat, F major. Okay? B flat is F major. All right? Okay, then well, I'm gonna show you. We'll just go ahead and do some more work for the flat keys. Now, what's the order of flats again? It's B, E, now B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, B, E, A, D, G flat, C flat, and F flat, right? If they're all 7 flats like this, B, E, A, D, G, C, F, what's the second to the last one? It's this one, right? So this is in the key of C flat major, okay? With all 7 flats. So you go backward 1, okay? In the key of C flat major, you have all 7 flats. What if in the key of G flat major? Now you draw all 5 flats up to G and do one more. So you have 6 flats in the key of G flat major. Okay? All right. What if there are B, E, A, D, G, 5 flats? What's the key signature? What key is that? Again, go to the second to the last one, which is D flat major, right? Okay. What if there are 3 flats? B flat, E flat, A flat. And this is in the key of E flat major. What if there are 4 flats? B, E, A, D. In the key of A flat major. In the key of A flat major, you have 4 flats. Okay? All right. So you always have to go look for the second to the last flat. Okay? Good. Let's try more. All right. This is page 9. Name the major key. Easy. Okay. One flat. You just have to memorize it, right? What is it? F major. So this is F. One flat is B flat. Okay. This key signature must be memorized, which is the F major. Okay. Now can we do the next one now? Now two flats. What do you think? If there are two flats, first flat is always a B flat, and the second one is a E flat, right? A B flat and E flat. Okay? Next to the last flat is, see, this is the last flat, and next to the last one is this, right? What is it? It's a B flat. Okay? The key is B flat major. Good. C. Three flats. Now what are those? You don't want to go from here, okay? You always want to go from the first one, which is B flat, E flat, and A flat. Can you write them? B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay. Next to last flat is, now which one's last flat? A flat. Which one is next to the last one? This one, right? What's that? It is E flat. All right? So key is E flat major. In the key of E flat major, you have a B flat, E flat, and draw one more, which is A flat. Okay? Good. That's what we're going to do now. Now, in the key of E flat major, you have a given key here, but you need to figure out how many flats for this E flat major. And this is what you do. Name all the flats from the order flats, okay, up to and including E flat. So what's the order? B, E, it's right there, right? And you do one more, you add one more flat, which is A. A comes in third order, right? So you have B flat, E flat, A flat. Here we go, B flat, E flat, A flat. And this is how you draw it. B, E, and A. Easy? Good. We're going to stop here and we're going to do some more next week. All right? Good job. Have a wonderful day. Bye.